What's up, guys? Welcome back. Meme time, YouTuber time, speeds. My mom's kind of homeless. That moment. I don't really understand the context. I watched the video, but someone explain it to me. But you never know what'll go viral. Let's draw this. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil. Use an eraser. Hit pause. If I go too fast, I think it was that he was just happy to die in the Fortnite game. Is that what it was? Anyway, let's start with his eyes. His nose will be sort of midpoint, so we'll go up, and his eyes will be across here. And we're just going to draw his eyelashes, basically, closed eyelashes. Yeah, so I think we just go this way, across and down. And he's like heavily squinting his eyes. We'll add some eyelashes then coming down here. And there's like loads of wrinkles and stuff around his eyes. And even like sort of down here as well. And then his eyebrow above. So frowning, sort of hairy eyebrow. Down that way. And then the hair of it. Sort of the top part, you know, the goes down that way. And he's all wrinkles on his nose. We'll go over and do the other eye. So you're about eye width. So the eyelash area, come over that much. And that's where the next one will sort of start. So you can fit his like eyelashes in between both tear ducts. And then we'll go down. Wrinkles on his nose and then around like his eyelids and right, and then so his eyebrow, hairy sort of eyebrow goes that way. His forehead like there. Okay, so nose, just big round sort of nose on the bottom. So nostrils like down here. We got to darken them up, add shadows. Very shadowy down there. And like the tip of the nose then. Sides of it going that way. And like maybe just some sort of light lines just to show the shape of the tip of his nose. like so. Okay, so then those big pursed lips, right? So it's an unusual shape. So we gotta like curve it heavily. So we'll go here, curving, and then it's like a real pointy part right in the middle. So like goes down here. Then around the other side. It's like his jaw is like tight in the side there, you know. Right, and then top lip, it's like a big letter M. And then like just this sort of extra little lines just around his mouth there. And then we'll add the bottom lip. Like a line for his chin and some wrinkles around the mouth. Right, and then the chin itself. It's very dark down here, so I can't see the whole thing. We'll do that. Then I think his jaw just goes this way. And then we get his cheekbones coming in here. Like he's sucking in his mouth, you know. So like the cheekbones and the headphones kind of are all one sort of line here. And then we start getting his hair, sort of his hairline. He's got like a black thing on his head, like a strap or like a tight. Yeah, there's something on his head there anyway. And then we get like his hair. Boom, boom. And so that's like his forehead, just like bumps around. Right, so I guess we got to do headphones. So just coming off the side of his head here, so we can see a little bit of hair in between. So it's like an extra sort of area in the gap here. And then the headphones go out that way. One's lower than the other. And then there's like a section that has them hooked on, so it goes that way. It's like a triangle. And then we go down. Boom, boom. So we'll try do same on the other side. So we'll go. See, it's not that high up, so we'll go like there. Right, and then the actual headphones that are like on his head. It seems to go like up and just like sitting on top. There, so then the side of his head is like in here. And I think that's sort of that line of black that he has is like here. So this isn't hair. This is like something else. So like this is hair. So like little dots and textures. But that's not hair. It's like goes down onto his neck as well. Okay, so top of the headphones then. It's like extra stuff, just. It looks like there's like some X's or something. All right, so then just like the neck. So he's got like fabric sticking out. I'm not sure what he's wearing, but that's sticking out from the side of his neck. And then the cord of his headphones just flows off this way. And then it's just a sort of an Adidas hoodie, basically. So like there, and then the sort of cord comes out. And then his shoulder is kind of just this way. The other shoulder, I can't see it, but I imagine it's just like that way. Not fabric lines, just like that. And then the Adidas symbol. And that is how to draw Speed's meme. My mom is kind of homeless. Yeah. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.